Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie with Everclear. First, select firm, tart apples like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp for the best flavor and texture. Peel, core, and slice about 6 to 8 medium apples into uniform 1/4 inch pieces. Prepare your pie crusts, either homemade or store-bought, ensuring they are ready for filling. This unique recipe adds a special kick to a classic dessert. Next, let's create the delicious filling. In a large bowl, combine your sliced apples with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Stir in 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of Everclear, making sure every apple slice is coated. Now it's time to assemble your pie. Carefully pour the Everclear apple mixture into your prepared 9-inch pie crust, mounding the apples slightly in the center. Place the second pie crust over the filling, crimping the edges to seal. Don't forget to cut several small vents in the top crust for steam to escape. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees. Continue baking your pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for another 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once baked, it's crucial to let the pie cool completely for at least 2 hours. This allows the filling to set properly, ensuring perfect slices. Serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an unforgettable dessert. Check the description for a link to a great e-reader and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.